This is a quick explanation of what is a net or delay wait event which you might see in the PG Gather reports. I'm Jobin Agustin, and quickly to the content. The net or delay is nothing but the time spent by server session without doing anything. Simple. This is the meaning of that net or delay. And that means the server session is waiting for something to happen, and there are multiple reasons for that to happen. So let me quickly take you through that. The most important thing is the high network latency. So network latency is different from network bandwidth. um, that the round trip between the application server or the client from the database is very important for high throughput and high performance. And nowadays the network latency is the biggest bottleneck in many of the environments. So this can cause the network or delay because the server session is waiting for a communication back from its client. And another reason is many of the poolers or proxies, connection poolers and proxies are supposed to help in terms of database performance, but sometimes it does in the other way because the communication could be delayed by the poolers or proxies. Uh, there could be delay in multiplexing the communication through few database connections, and this is one common reason for the network delays. And another is the application design. Some of the application designs are very chatty in nature, so there are too much of back and forth communication. Say the application server could be sending a few statements and again sending another set repeatedly, back and forth communication. So that will cause lot of network delays. Okay. And another is the processing time at the application side. So sometimes the application sends a query and get the result, and application could be working on that data which is sent by the database server, but the application won't be closing the connection or closing the session, so effectively causing a lot of delay. So the database session will be waiting for the next set of statements from the application side. And another major cause of network or delay is overloaded servers. So the server process, whether it is application side process or the database side process, will be waiting for the OS scheduler to pick up, and schedule the work. So if it is a database server getting overloaded, there'll be less time slot available for each process. So each process will end up in waiting for scheduler for longer duration, and all these things will be reflecting as the delay in the system. So there'll be a lot of time gap between two executions. So all these things will be accounted as network delay. Thank you.